All right, hi there. This is Mr. Bauer again, and we're talking again about slope-intercept form, trying to write equations in slope-intercept form. And our first objective today is write an equation of a line in slope-intercept form given a point and a slope. All right? And so let's just say we're given the ordered pair 1, 2, and we're also given that the slope is 3. Now, in previous problems, we'd always been given the y-intercept. Well, this point right here is not the y-intercept, is it? No, it's not. And so we're going to have to take a new approach to finding this equation. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to write down slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. And then I'm going to plug in a number for x, a number for y, and a number for m. Let's do that. According to this ordered pair, y is 2, m is 3, x is 1, and that leaves b as the only variable here. Well, do you know how to solve equations? Yeah, I think you do. Do you know how to simplify this? What's 3 times 1? Well, it's 3, isn't it? Do you know how to get b by itself here? How about subtract 3 from both sides? And then what does b equal? 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Well, now do you have a slope and a y-intercept? Yes, you do. And so you can write y equals 3x minus 1 as the equation of that line in slope-intercept form. Take your point, plug it in, solve for b, and then write your equation. We were used to just say, here's m, here's b, all right, write it. Well, now they're going to make us do a step to find b, and then we can write our ordered pair. All right? Let's do one more. Let's give ourselves an ordered pair 2, 2, and we'll say that the slope is 4. Okay? So here we go. Here's y equals mx plus b. What I'm going to plug in for 3 of these 4 variables, aren't I? The y, the m, and the x. 2 equals 4 times 2 plus b. Well, what's 4 times 2? I'm going to rewrite this over here. 2 equals 8 plus b. How do I get b by itself? Yep. Subtract 8. Well, then what does b equal? 2 minus 8 is negative 6. Slope is 4. Y-intercept is negative 6. So y equals 4x minus 6. All right? So this is what I call the solving for b method. All right? Solving for b, and then after you have b, you can write your equation. All right? The second objective here is write an equation of a line in slope-intercept form given 2 points. All right? So let's say we're given 2 points. 2, negative 3, and negative 2, 1. All right? Well, we don't even have m now, do we? We don't have m, and we don't have b. So, well, if you're given 2 points, can you find m? Yes, you can. All right? Your slope formula hasn't changed. It's still y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's go 1 minus negative 3 over negative 2 minus 2. Well, what's 1 minus negative 3? It's really 1 plus 3. So that's 4. Negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. So what's the slope? Negative 1. So now we have an m. So now we can go back to what we did in our previous example. Here's y equals mx plus b. I'm going to pick this point and this slope. I'm going to plug it in here so that I can find b now. All right, what's y? 1 equals negative 1 times, what's x? Negative 2 plus b. 1 equals, what's negative 1 times negative 2? Positive 2. Very good. How do we get b by itself? Subtract 2 from both sides, and so b equals 1 minus 2 is negative 1. All right, now you've got yourself a slope, and you've got yourself a y-intercept. Y equals negative 1x minus 1. Did you know that I could write that as y equals negative x minus 1 also? Same thing. All right. What if I gave you a graph? Well, if I gave you a graph, you'd look for 2 points, wouldn't you? And you'd do exactly the same thing we just did there. All right? Good luck with section 5.2.